Question number 2. Question number 2 says, the following tables were made incorrectly. This one just has one table, but the following tables means question number 2 and question number 3. But they were made incorrectly. Find the mistakes that were made, create the correct ratio table, and state the ratio that was used to make the correct ratio table. All right, so this one has a mistake in it, and we want to try to find the mistake, and then we're going to recreate the table using the correct ratio. All right, so let's look at it. A ratio table. We're looking for a constant that gets us from here to here. We're looking for something that is constant that we can multiply every single time to get from hours to dollars. So think about, you work 3 hours, you get paid $24. You work 5 hours, you get paid $40. You work 7 hours, you get $52. You work 9 hours, you get paid $72. So what is the ratio? How much money are you getting paid per hour? Okay, so what could I multiply by 3 to give me 24? 3 times 8. Okay, 3 times 8. So that should be the constant. 5 times 8 is 40. That's the constant. So it still should be the same for every one. 7 times 8 equals 52? No, not 52. 7 times 8 equals 56. So there's our mistake. Let's check this one. 9 times 8 equals 72. That one's correct. So now it just asks us to make, and you're going to do this in your math journal because you can't make a table on Edge Elastic. I tried to do a table on Edge Elastic. It was kind of complicated, kind of messy, so I just made it to where we have a couple of questions to answer. All right, so we've got hours. I want you to do this in your math journal. Hours in dollars. It says pay in dollars. I'm just going to shorten that to dollars. And our correct chart should be 3 hours, $24. 5 hours, $40. 7 hours, $56, because I'm multiplying by 8 each time. And 9 hours, $72. Now we've got a couple of questions to answer. What is the ratio of the corrected table? And it says use a colon because if you put your answer in the wrong format, and Edge Elastic is going to count it wrong. So we're going to use a colon. What is the ratio? Okay, that's going to be our simplified ratio. If it asks us for the ratio or the ratio value, we're going to put that answer in simplest form. So we have 3 to 24. I'm just going to write it as a fraction. Let's simplify that. How can we simplify that? Okay, they both have what common factor do they have? They have a 3 in common. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. I don't know if you can see that on the side, so I'll rewrite it down here. Okay, so my ratio for this in simplest form is going to be 1 colon 8. 1 to 8. Okay, second question says, what is the constant of the corrected table? The constant, what did I multiply 3 by to get 24? What did I multiply 5 by to get 40? The constant was 8. Okay, now you're going to do number 3. There's no video for number 3. You can do number 3. It's just like number 2 here. You find the mistake in the chart. You correct it in your math journal. Write that corrected table in your math journal. And then you're going to write the ratio for the corrected chart and what is the constant for the corrected chart or table. Okay, so I will catch you back on number 4. So I'll see you on number 4.